Hello, Mookies. Hello, 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 hello. How's everybody doing today? I hope everyone is awesome, fine, perfect, and great. What are we eating today, guys? We are eating some kimchi noodles with extra kimchi poured on top, and some tiny little, chicken dumplings. They're steamed dumplings. And I have to show you. You know I'm not good at using these, but I'm gonna try. You know why? These are special. These are so special. Wait, let me tell you. Hold on a second, I forgot. Let me say my prayer real quick and we'll get into this food. That noise, of course, is baby in her dog bed, snoring, wheezing, whatever she's doing, making that noise. So, for the girl who cannot use chopsticks, I just decided I'll go ahead and get real fancy as I fail. I hope you can see these. Can you see them? See they're clear? Look, they light up. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, look how cute they are. Look at that, they light up. I'm so impressed, I love these. And I don't even like Star Wars. I think they're supposed to be like, you know, for that lifesaver thing, whatever. But they light up. Aren't they so cute? I'm so in love with these things. So hopefully I can figure out how to use them as utensils to feed myself with this meal. So I have my sriracha, which is almost gone on deck, my orange juice, my water in the big container that I won't mention because I'm not sponsored, so you won't see the name of it if I drink that water on camera. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so excited. You have no idea. I have been waiting and waiting to use these. I've had them for a while and I keep forgetting to use them. So today is the day. Woohoo! Oh, and before we get started, if you are not already a Mookie, please hit that big red subscribe button. And hit the bell. Hit the bell so you're notified when I upload videos. And also, please make sure you leave a comment and tell me whatever you want to tell me. I don't care. Just leave a comment. Let me know how your day is going. Let me know if you want to try these noodles. Let me know if these dumplings look good to you. Just let me know. Let me know if you want to purchase these. Oh my gosh, you know what? I bought them on Amazon. I'll leave the link below in my description. So if you want to purchase them, you can do so. I'll make it easy for you. How about that? Okay, I said my prayer. Let's just dig in. They're a little more balancted for me. I might be able to use these because they're heavier on one end. Not heavy, but who am I kidding? I'm not going to be able to use these. I am such a mess with this stuff. These noodles are not bad. Oh, and for sauces, I have sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, and to be honest with you, I don't know what this is. This came in some packets with it, with the dumplings, and it's like a sweet sauce, so I can't tell you the name of it, I'm sorry. But let's try it. my God. Let's see if it... Okay, so that's how we're doing this, huh? Okay. Okay. So the dumplings, they want their own show. They think they're being funny. I'm also trying a bunch of different lipsticks to see if I can find a lipstick that'll stay on throughout my whole meal without getting all over the place. And if it does stay on throughout the meal, I will put the information for the lipstick. Damn it. I'll put the information for the lipstick in my description. Look, dude. Come on. Aren't you supposed to be some kind of lifesaver? I'm hungry. Save my life. Okay. Yeah. These little dumplings are good. Dumplings are good. I'm holding my leg with my other hand. I'm holding my leg with my other hand because it wants to just grab the food and get it to my mouth. Oh, you guys. I should be practicing these darn things off camera. I'm checking it to see if it's still on. So far, so good. We'll wait to the end and we'll give a little review on this lipstick. It is pretty drying though. I feel like my lips are really dry. I like the color. Color's really pretty. And this is 2 coats. These noodles are good. They're pretty good. Look. Everybody wants to fight me, huh? It's crazy when you have to fight with your food so you can eat it. That's not cool. When you have something that's like moist, ooh, I hate that word. When you have something that's, what's another word? But anyways, it's so squishy in your mouth. It makes so much noise. I'm going through orange juice like crazy right now. I don't know if my body is craving vitamin C or what it is, but I have wanted orange juice. I'm like, I usually don't drink it like this, but I'm drinking it like every darn day now. Usually it's just like a breakfast thing and not, I don't usually have breakfast, but like on Sundays or whatever, I make a big breakfast. Saturdays, I'm sorry. I think I need to take some pictures of my room now. I finally put up my other panels of flowers. I mean, the room's not totally done, but And the table that I use is huge. It takes up like the whole room practically. Come on. Oh my God, I have to edit that out. It's so crazy. Noise. Well, lipstick is coming off on my tissue. So, I don't know. See a little soy sauce this time. Dang it. I really need to learn how to use these darn things. But they are really cute. I wish they would blink. I wonder why they don't blink. What's his name? Luke Skywalker? Isn't he the one that uses this? Is there a button to make them blink? No. They're no fun. I wonder if I just... Is this how you do it? Well, to get in my mouth. That's real cute. Yeah. Someone's gonna rush and call me to take me on a date after watching me eat like that. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. There's certain things that I would never eat when I like go out to a restaurant. Well, not on a date anyways. If you're just with your family, that's different. But on a date, there's certain things you just absolutely should never order. I think noodles are one of those things. Please don't get on my shirt. If you see that, that's a juicy one. That's a juicy, juicy dumpling. I'm trying to show you guys what's inside these suckers. See? You see it? Can you see it? I'm turning well out the way. It's tracking me. I hope you can see that, because it's good. Oh yeah. I love sweet chili sauce. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Come on, man. This is just, you have no idea. Every single video I've ever done with chopsticks is just a fail. It really is. It's just a fail. I really should stop trying, but I saw these chopsticks and they were so cute I had to buy them. So I was like, I'll try it again. Oh yeah, that's hot. So cute. Said no one. I did bring a fork just in case. I'm calling these my unicorn silverware. You see how cute they are? They like change colors. Do you guys like kimchi? Let me know in the comments if you like kimchi. I can eat kimchi just out of the jar. Just like sit there. Just like my avocados. Well, avocados are not in a jar, but yeah. This other sweet sauce, it's almost like, I don't know what it is, to be honest with you, but it is good. If I can never pick up the dumpling to put it in there, there we go. Yes! You go, girl. If you hear all that beeping, that was my phone, but if you hear that other beeping, when any of my doors or windows are open, our alarm system lets us know. We are armed and dangerous here. Hey! Come on, cooperate! Dude, seriously. Do we have to have a discussion here? Do you need a timeout? You know what? There. That's the way. These are hood chopsticks. How about that? I just stabbed my dumpling. Like I just came out of a dark alley. My chopsticks just went from cool and fancy to ratchet. They're just stabbing stuff. Look at that. They're like, I don't care. Catch me outside. I don't know what's wrong with me sometimes. Some of the stuff that just comes out of my mouth. Oh dear. That little girl is like, she's totally like known now and doing music and everything, huh? A little catch me outside little girl. I don't know. I don't know if CJ would still be around if he told, oh no, she didn't tell her mom that. She told someone in the audience that. Okay. I forget what she told her mom, but it wasn't pretty. I'd have to drag my son. My son is a grown man with a child of his own, and I would still drag him if he tried to. Oh, Lord, help him, Jesus. Nope. Not in this lifetime. It's so different how you discipline kids now as opposed to when, you know, we were younger. My mom, she's Italian. And my mom, just with her bare hand, you'd walk by her and she'd pop you in the back of your head. She'd just smack you. Pop! You're walking past her and you'd be like, and then my dad would yell from the other side of the room, don't hit her like that. And I'm thinking, oh, he has my back. I love my dad. I'm a daddy's girl. I have always been a daddy's girl. But then he followed up with, you'll break your hand. And I'm thinking, she just gave me a concussion and you're worried about her hand breaking? Really, Dad? Or the time when he told me to go out and get a switch because I was messing around too much and I wouldn't stop. I wasn't listening. And he said, you know what? I got something for your blankety blank. Go outside and give me a switch. You know, that one time in life that you make the biggest mistake, and you're thinking in your head, I'm going to get that tiny little switch off that tree. That tiny little switch. And you bring that little switch in the house. My dad, he had the biggest grin on his face when I handed him that switch. I'm thinking, yeah, I got this. Come at me, bro. I got this. I had pajama pants on, so they were thin. That first little snap on those legs, I think I jumped. I could have probably touched the ceiling. I jumped so high. I might have gotten maybe 2 or 3 little pops. I learned that day that I would have rather been hit with a whole damn branch than that little tiny ass switch. It's the only time my dad hit me. One time with that switch. But I was up under my dad. Like, I loved my dad so much. He could do no wrong. Now, my mom, she used to kick my butt. I wasn't, oh, no. She wasn't playing with me at all. She did not, no, she didn't give me no slack. She would tear my butt up. But I'm the oldest. My brothers and sister, she didn't go after them like she did me. Crazy lady. I love my mama though. I do. But she's a crazy Italian woman, I'll tell you that much. But I love my mom. We didn't always have the very best relationship. I was always very close to my dad. And I wasn't her favorite. You know, when you have multiple children, and you know, as parents, you kind of have your favorite. She never said, you're not my favorite. But I knew I wasn't her favorite. I gave her a lot of trouble. My brothers gave her trouble too, but I'm the one that got it. I think our relationship really shifted when my parents divorced. And I hated my mom for divorcing my dad. You know, now that I'm grown, I understand why. Of course she had to divorce him, but when you're a kid, I was so angry with her. And it's funny because every holiday, they still spent every holiday together. We were always together. Still all of us, they just weren't married anymore. Valentine's Day, she still got gifts from my dad. He still gave her flowers. Up until he passed. He always made it very clear to all of us that my mom was the love of his life and that she was the most beautiful woman on the planet. And whenever I was angry with my mom, for whatever reason, my dad always, I don't want to say he always took her side, but he would not allow me to be angry with my mom. His famous words were, "You will only have one mom. For the rest of your life, no matter what you do, you will only have one mom. Don't forget that." Okay, yeah, we're gonna just dig right in here, people, because these chopsticks are giving me a hand cramp. So my dad lived with me, and my mom lives with my sister. And my sister lives 3 blocks away from me, so I see my mom all the time. I call and talk to her almost every day, or she calls me. Sometimes if I'm busy, it's every other day. But she will call and be like, "Hey, what are you doing? I haven't talked to you." It's just crazy because once my dad passed, I became so close to my mom. And I hate that it took that to make me see her. But I see her very clearly now. And I've always loved her very much. I just feel much closer to her now. Oh my God, you guys, I think I'm gonna finish my food today. What is this world coming to? It's time to get it's time to get serious. I gotta eat my kimchi. If you're still here, comment below on which parent you feel closest with. Is it your mom? Is it your dad? Or maybe they're equal to you. Maybe you feel close to both. My goodness. It was hot. I got the spicy kimchi. It's spicy. Spicy. I still have some lipstick on, you guys. It's kind of all over my face. I still have some on. Shake your groove thing, shake your groove thing, yeah, yeah. Okay. Well, the inside of my lips, not as much lipstick. Well, it's not like it was all on the inside, but there's still some there. My plate is empty, you guys. You see that? Finally, I finished my food. So we are going to wrap this one up. Please remember to subscribe by hitting that big red button down there. That big old red button. Hit that button. Hit the bell to be notified of future videos. And please leave me a comment. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know if you like kimchi. Let me know if you're close to your mom or your dad. Let me know anything you want to let me know. Okay, you guys. I love you, Mookies, so very much. You are awesome sauce with awesome sauce poured on top. Thank you so much for joining me for another meal. And I will see you next time.